big lips. Jerry गर्दाखेरि पनि मेरो ठुलो नै थियो. तर
Mm.
अहिले trend आएको छ नि त ठुलो lips.
Yeah.
So just
So
because
you've
it's on
lucked out.
trend and I still have big lips, it's like people are assuming that I've done any fillers or surgery, but I haven't.
I wish I could meet you. Me too, my love lies. She spoke for a reason. People are.
Oh no.
There was this issue where people were attacking Nikisha Shrestha, Hari Bichara, always she gets attacked on everyone. They're just having this long ass conversation in this comment section.
Leave her alone.
Teta, yeah. I am 26. I've become old. You know, people asking, can you all just stop? Teta, Park, don't even reply to those people. There's no point. Is Anna single? Hi, Ahilia.
I am single.
She's single.
I'm single. I don't think that's like, I think everyone knows that.
Yeah, those who follow her closely, I'm sure.
Me, Loki, putting it out there. That I'm single.
In the market. How do you know Street Troublemaker? She's a good friend of mine in Bombay. We hang out a lot. You don't look like it.
Are you planning to go to Mumbai, like after the lockdown?
After the lockdown, I've got some project to complete. That'll take about 2 months. So 2-3 months after the lockdown opens up, then I'll go. So I'm here for a while.
That's good.
Amaira Dastur is a girlfriend. No, she's my best friend, yeah. Bichara. Yes, Jericho heroine. People will never forget that movie. It's such a cult, eh? That film. Cult film.
Yeah.
Or please tell how much. Okay. I don't know how much he charges. I did a shoot with him in a collaborative basis, Sandhya. Yes, Anna's the youngest child of her parents. People are saying, why don't you try Bollywood? I know, she should. I think she'll kill it.
We both should actually.
I can't act for nuts. I get really paranoid and yeah. I'm only comfortable when I'm by myself. TikTok, I'm comfortable by myself, but when it comes to performing in a set and all, I don't enjoy it. I get like freak out. I get performance anxiety. It takes a lot, yeah, to be able to act. You just need to have it in you.
Yeah, I guess. But I would never really.
Yeah, never. Otherwise, catch me. I would have been in Bombay for 8 years. I would have at least tried something. People have dragged me to auditions. And before giving my auditions, I've literally said, guys, I have to just go for a phone call and run. I've run away like thrice. I've run away thrice. And then I'm like, guys, what's the point of dragging me? I run away. I won't do it. Anna's not my girlfriend. Yeah, you guys, I've told you guys I'm gay. Like, still people ask that question.
One of my best friends. Okay, should we play a game?
Yeah. What's the game?
I don't know. You guys can ask us questions. हामीलाई क्वेशन्सहरु सोध्नुस् अनि हामी आन्सर गर्छौं. I think that would be fun.
Yeah. Is Anna the youngest child?
Yes. मेरो तीनटा दिदी छ. म चाहिँ कान्छी हो.
Nice. Do you have a boyfriend? She's already said no. And that's the truth. Questions. Guys, bring the questions. I'll ask.
Questions, questions. हामी answer गर्छु. Where you guys first met today?
I don't remember. We were like young children. I can't remember which birthday party or something we met.
Yeah. हामी परुले मेरो चाहिँ परुको मम्मी र ड्याडी र मेरो मम्मी ड्याडी चाहिँ एकदमै मिल्ने साथीहरू थियो पहिलेदेखि. सो मैले बच्चैदेखि परुलाई चिन्थे तर ठ्याक्कै चाहिँ याद छैन मैले फर्स्ट टाइम कहिले भेटेको तर यस्तै फ्यामिली फंक्शन्सतिर फर्स्ट टाइम भेटेको.
Yeah, bachar. Are you pampered compared to your sisters? Sabin Tamang is asking.
Are you?
You.
I am. Are
Yeah.
you?
Me? No, not
Yes,
really.
you are.
Bharat, I hope we meet on each day learn. Thank you, God, no more. Are you seeing someone, Para? I never tell. I never kiss and tell.
She broke up when everyone's asking me about my breakup. Splitsvilla ko ko tapay ko Insta buddy re. Travon is my Insta buddy. Travon.
Let me search him. Let me to know who you guys are talking. Everyone seems so. He's not the
Everyone's right.
northeastern guy. No, he's not the Nepali guy, is he?
No. He's from Travon is from Goa.
Okay. Look.
You have three
Travon.
older sisters. Yes, मेरो तीनटा दिदी छ यो चाहिँ जेठी दिदी हो एकदमै लजाउँछ
Laga. Okay, this guy splits villa ko guy.
अनि what subject are you going to study रे I think more filmmaking कि बा business पढ्छु होला मलाई still actually मलाई यो year मलाई college university पढ्न जानु मन थियो बाहिर देशमै तर
Someone's like.
तर त्यही हो
Sorry, go on. I totally.
त्यही एकजनाले सोध्नु भएको थियो कुन सब्जेक्ट पढ्नुहुन्छ भनेर म अहिले कलेज पढिरहेको छुइनँ तर मलाई युनिभर्सिटी चाहिँ बाहिर पढ्न जानु मन छ र आई थिङ्क फिल्म मेकिङ कि बा बिजनेस पढ्छु होला यसपालि मलाई बाहिर जानु मन थियो पढ्नलाई तर अब कोभिडले गर्दाखेरि जानु पाएन तर अब होपफुली नेक्स्ट इयर
Why are your sisters so private in social media? Tissy is asking.
Oh my, please ask them. No, but I don't know. They've just been like private people in general, and we've never liked the attention or a lot of general attention. And
How much water do you drink? Subha's asking.
me, to be very honest, म दिनभरि धेरै पानी चाहिँ कन्स्टेन्टली त्यो सबैजनाको हुन्छ नि दिनमा लाइक 3, 4, 5 लिटर्स खाने अमिश सो मैले कति पानी खान्छु मैले धेरै पानी टु बी अनेस्ट एभ्री डे चाहिँ धेरै पानी खाँदिनँ तर उठ्ने बित्तिकै चाहिँ मैले 1 लिटर पानी चाहिँ जहिले पनि खान्छु उठ्ने बित्तिकै 1 लिटर पानी अनि आइस मुखमा उठ्ने बित्तिकै that's what I do.
Even I need
But
to
during the day I don't have much water to be honest.
What's your favorite cuisine? Shelly is asking. Yes. Are you born and brought up in Nepal? You.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
And
born and brought up in.
Does Para have unibrow? No, yeah, but alli kati cha kapal. Ma kaile katsu. What's your favorite cuisine?
मेरो? First, mom ko dal bhat khana. त्यसपछि, I think I can't put it in order, but Mexican, Italian, and Korean. I also like Chinese though, so I can't tell. I have a lot.
Yeah, even I can never choose favorites. Yeah, I have so
I'm
many
a
that I
foodie,
like.
so
Yeah, she's a foodie. Vedika Diju. How tall are you?
How tall are you, Baru?
I'm 5'6.5". Not that tall.
Same.
Right? Yeah, we are on the same height. You're tall. Yeah, I'm sorry, Param.
What's your favorite color?
Mine is black because it looks very good on me.
Mine, मेरो चाहिँ change भइरहेको छ. Sometimes
Oh,
it's red, sometimes it's white, sometimes it's black, sometimes it's blue. Change भइरहेको छ मेरो पनि. Okay, we've
yeah.
got one question. What's the most happiest moment of your life?
I can't think of
Probably
the
a
most
lot, no?
happiest.
That's such a
Yeah.
tricky question because
What could be the most happiest thing of our lives?
मेरो त कति छ कति. I don't think I could like tell
Right?
in one word.
Yeah. Yeah. I have a challenge for you guys. Nepali ma kura garo yo pura live. हामी बिर्सिन्छौँ guys.
ए हामीले अघि नै भनेको मैले पढुलाई अघि नै भनेको कि हामी नेपाली नै बोल्ने भनेर. Any next project Nyom Pari. Hi Nyom Pari, मेरो next project आइरहेको छ. I was supposed to shoot this month. मेरो एउटा मुभी हुँदै थियो अनि मेरो co-star चाहिँ सम्रागी पनि छ. तर I think अब लकडाउन सकेपछि सिचुएसन राम्रो भएपछि मात्रै हामी सुट गर्छौँ होला.
That will be so much fun. Yeah, I heard about this. Favorite movie, Anna को favorite movie कुन हो?
कति छ कति भन्नै सकिदैन.
त्यही त, favorite is very tough.
I think हजुरहरूले मलाई मेरो favorite color, मेरो favorite movie, मेरो favorite song सोध्यो भने मैले भन्नै सक्दिनँ किनभने every genre is a mood, to be honest. हेरी हुन्छ त्यो.
Weight loss, no. What is that other thing about your hair? What's it? तपाईको कपालको secret के हो? Gorgeous कपालको secret.
मेरो छैन, मेरो हाँगाहरू यति धेरै छ तपाईहरुले नदेखेको मात्रै. तर प्लिज मलाई टिप्स दिनुहोस्. मेरो यो लेन्थ नि 4 वर्ष भइसक्यो यो लेन्थ भएको. I'm trying to grow it. मलाई एकदमै मेरो कपाल लामो पाल्नु छ. So प्लिज मलाई टिप्सहरू दिनुहोस्. किनभने यति धेरै हाँगाहरू छ. I keep coloring my hair, I keep straightening my. Fun fact, तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छैन होला तर मेरो कपाल एकदमै कर्ली छ. एकदमै नै कर्ली छ. So, and I'm always like, yeah, you didn't know that my hair is like super curly.
Oh my god.
So after every wash, I blow dry it, and then sometimes when I'm home, like when I go out, I keep it natural, but mostly it's like
you're wavy.
Yeah.
Are you friends with Sandhya Mau? Was it the friends? I don't know him. First, Anmol Casey. I don't know.
Oh.
Teenagers are like
I'm
pocket
friends
money.
with him if you guys are still.
Yeah, she's friends with him.
I'm still friends with him.
Yeah.
We're on good terms, really.
I'm glad. That's how it should be.
Castor oil, rice water. So rice water मैले अस्ति try गरेँ. हप्तामा कतिचोटि राइस वाटर लाउने र मेरो क्वेशन चाहिँ एउटा राइस वाटरको पानी यसरी स्प्रे गर्ने र मसाज गर्ने हो तर स्याम्पू र कन्डिसनर लाएपछि राइस वाटर लाउने हो कि ड्राई वाटरमा राइस वाटर लाउने हो I don't think people got me or did they? How long am I keeping you, Paru? I don't know. I'm like
no, not at all. I was just setting up my. Bara, please. Yeah, I've answered that. It must be Imagine upon her.
Newa Lisa Malakar says shampoo week ma एकचोटि मात्र कपालको झरामा कन्डिसनर लगाउनु हुन्न मैले जरामा चाहिँ लगाउँदिन तर use KG shampoo that helps to grow with a healthy hair सो हजुरहरूले चाहिँ भन्न खोजेको मैले राइस वाटर shampoo र कन्डिसनर पछि मात्रै लाउने हैन त्यही सोध्नु भएको हैन
Ganaula phiri rice water thali.
I'm getting like 5 different answers for
Lots
the
of
rice
tips.
water.
Anna literally looks like a little kid when she smiles or laughs. Yes, she has a baby face and she'll always look young because of that. I hate you for that. Fave movie played by Anna herself. Kun ho त्यो नेपालीमा भन्नुहोस्.
के
तपाईँको फेभ नेपाली movie कहिले फेभ movie भनौँ. You've done an international film also, so fave film.
Favorite movie overall?
Yeah.
I can't tell. There are too many.
That you have shot for. Your favorite that you worked on.
Mero movie, oh my god.
Even tougher. You liked all, but one that you will say just your fave holds more special to you. Don't say Jerry. Okay.
Jerry. Special,
Okay.
एकदमै special हुने चाहिँ मेरो एकदमै Jerry नै हो. And after
Yeah.
that, The Man from Kathmandu, त्यसपछि Gangster Blues.
I loved Gangster Blues. Ko promos and songs are so good. I thought you would say Gangster Blues first. Even though I've not watched the movie, but it seemed very, that song was so good, yeah. Still obsessed with it. It's still in my playlist.
Oh, thank you.
Are you relative of Pooja Sharma? Ask to Anna.
No, I'm not.
No. Any recommendations for under-eye wrinkles in early 20s?
I'm glad this topic came up. So धेरै हजुरहरूले धेरैजनाले मलाई सोध्नुहुन्छ मेरो आई ब्याग्स म कि बा बिमारी छु कि अमी seriously oh my god you're making so much noise at the Ami sorry so कतिजनाहरूले सोध्नुहुन्छ मेरो आई ब्याग्स म धेरै सुतेको छैन कि म बिमारी छु मेरो यो जेनेटिक्स नै हो म जति सुते पनि म जति आई क्रिमलाई पनि म जति स्किन केयर गरे पनि मेरो आई ब्याग्स चाहिँ जहिले पनि नै हुन्छ मेरो आई लाइक my eyes are always looking puffy so there's nothing I can do unless like I grow up and I do some fillers over here. That's the only option I have, which I don't want to do right now, but
yeah I mean everyone सबैको अलग-अलग हुन्छ guys. कसैको dark circles, कसैको मेरो यस्तो line छ. And जो genetics छ धेरै change गर्न सक्दैन. Even like wrinkles भन्दा पनि wrinkles already आए भने the only way out is Botox. But you can prevent wrinkles, त्यो हो cream लाएर. And even dark circles जसको छ genetically त्यो जानै सक्दैन. या त you put concealer, sleep गएर अलिकति better होला तर पुरा जान्न.
Yeah, but mine is not like dark circles, it's just eye bags.
Yeah.
I mean, like my dad and all my pupus, everyone has like bad eye bags. So it's like genetics for me, no matter how much I sleep. And then I've tried everything like potato, like tea bag, everything. Like I've used so many of my mom's expensive eye creams, like nothing worked for me. It's like, so now, and then I kind of like, anyone Lemmy, do you guys know Lemmy? Makeup artist Lemmy? उसले मेरो मेकअप गर्दाखेरि मैले एकचोटिलाई भनेको थिएँ कि I'm very insecure about my eye bags यसो भन्दाखेरि उसले मलाई के भन्छ have you tried this and that भन्दाखेरि yes I've tried everything but I think it's genetics because no matter what I do I still have eye bags. So she's like, you know what, I actually love your eye bags, like I think you look very sexy with your eye bags. And then I was like, wait, right, I do. So now I think I really like my eye bags.
No, it is, you embrace it and you look good. Yeah everyone
I've just learned to like accept myself and like I embrace my eye bags right now.
For sure. Do you have a crush, Anna? So the Rasaman said, "Tannai te question I rasa."
Mero chani tannai tha.
Tannai.
कसको चाहिँ छैन हैन क्रश सबैजनाको हुन्छ
है त्यही त True.
Ranbir Kapoor and Anna on rom-com. Are you kidding me? That would be a dream.
Hi, and I can picture it also. I swear.
I'm crying.
Have you tried Botox? Hoina, she said that in the future, if she wants to, she'll do it. Aile saman garya chaina, and Botox le fix hunna tyo. Botox wrinkles ko lagi ho. त्यस्तै छ. So that is there. Lo, I'm gonna go, Anna. I'm gonna go and edit my video.
Me too. Me too.
So much
There
fun
was
you all
so
having. I
much
love
fun.
you.
Thank
Happy
you, Farouk, for
birthday.
going live with me.
I'm glad I spent time with you on your birthday.
I
On
know,
the web.
I know. Thank you so
Right?
much. You know, I even went live on Instagram because I was getting so many requests, and I was like, you know what? Like, these are one of my most like supportive people, so might as well go. Shida is just saying hi.
Hi.
But yes, Farouk, we should
Instagram
live
group.
now. We should go live on Instagram, and we'll play games and stuff. That'll be fun.
Okay,
Love you so much.
I'll message you regarding that.
And I love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday.
I thought I was like, love you.
You thought you were
Okay,
what?
I don't know how to.
I'll do it. I'll help you with it.